Have you ever noticed that even when things are going well financially, there's a part of you that's just waiting for something to go wrong, for an expense to come up, for money to slow down, or for things to fall apart? It can feel like you can't fully relax with money, even when everything is okay. If you've ever felt that way, you're not alone. There is a reason your mind does this, and understanding it can completely change how you experience financial abundance. Now, the mind is naturally oriented towards anticipating problems, especially with money. It's constantly trying to stay one step ahead, looking for what might go wrong so it can be prepared. So when things are going well financially, instead of settling into that experience, the mind stays alert. It scans for potential issues, unexpected expenses, income dropping, something changing, even if there's no real sign of it. Now, this creates a subtle sense of tension, like your money always needs to be monitored or managed, even in moments of ease. So over time, this makes it difficult to fully enjoy or feel secure with the money we have. You might have what you wanted, more income, more stability, better financial circumstances, but it doesn't feel the way you expected. Instead of feeling relaxed or supported, there's a background sense of bracing. And because of that, it can feel like something is still missing, even when it's not. So what happens if you notice that feeling without trying to fix it? The next time you catch yourself waiting for something to go wrong with money, just pause and recognize it. Not as a sign that something is actually wrong, but as a habit your mind has learned. You see, you don't have to follow it, you don't have to react to it, or you don't have to try to solve it. You can simply let it be there, while also noticing that in this moment, your money is actually okay. So over time, this creates a different relationship with that feeling, and it begins to lose its intensity. So you don't have to stay on edge with money in order to be prepared, and you don't have to expect something to go wrong in order to stay in control. So the more you allow yourself to be present with what's already working financially, the more natural it becomes to experience ease without questioning it. And that's where trust with money begins to grow, not from forcing, but from allowing yourself to stay with it. So if this message resonates with you, don't forget to like the video, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, stay magical, and may the wealth flow to you.